Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the MEDITIVE UIP-63 electronic personal scale. So an image of the personal scale is given right on top. As you can see, maximum load is 180 kilos and it also comes with an LED display right over here. Once again, maximum weight is 180 kilos or 400 pounds. This entire product weighs only 100 grams. There are 4 sensors. It comes with an LED display, 27.5mm LED display. It's auto on-off features. Also comes with 2 AAA batteries to power this particular device on. Okay, and do we have anything more? And that's more or less it. This is what the weighing scale looks like. Now I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual and warranty card. Everything that you need to know you will find in this document. And this is basically another warranty card from MEDITIVE. You shouldn't lose any of these documents. And this is the weighing unit in question. It comes with it's made out of ABS plastic, by the way. This does not have any tempered glass on top. Has this particular texture on top, as you can see. So it's basically an ergonomic design. This is the large LED display that it comes with. And it's very thick. There has this metallic chassis over here. It weighs only 100 grams. That's barely nothing. And yeah, it's super lightweight, has this ergonomic but rough texture on top. It can take a lot of pressure. And at the back, these are the 4 sensors that measures all the weight. This is a unit changer. I'll show you how it works. And this is where all the batteries go in. As you notice there are 2 AAA batteries over here. And this particular strip is preventing these batteries from getting activated. But now I have activated them, so we're going to check out what the display looks like. I'll just put it in properly. There you go, and close the lid. Oh, we have some display. There you go. You have to put a lot of pressure. At least 5 kilos of weight you have to put on this to see any display. And there you go. This is working absolutely fine. Right now the unit is in kgs as you can see over here. But if I click on the unit changer, which is right here, I click on it once and you will get the pound unit, and I click on it again, you will get the kilo unit. You're back at the kilo unit. So you get only 2 units with this particular device. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the MEDITIVE UIP-63 electronic personal scale. Thank you for watching.